Hello, Model Kit fans. Welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. If you enjoy my content, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing my channel. In this episode, we're going to be doing the final reveal of the George Reeves Superman 3D model. The Adventure of Superman was one of my childhood favorite shows. I really enjoyed it as I was growing up. It was a big part of my life. George Reeves, personally, was my favorite character to portray Superman. The TV show was very wholesome and started in 1950, and the episodes were more of the classic film noir genre. And as they moved in later seasons, after season 2 towards season 6, Kellogg's wanted to go ahead and tone down the violence of the show. So it took on a more humorous feel. In the first 2 seasons, George Reeves wore a gray and brown costume. It just contrasted well with the black and white filming format for TV at the time. Season 3 through season 6, they used a full color filming format, which wouldn't be seen until the mid-60s on color television, but they had the foresight to go ahead and prep for that. So I chose to do this model in the sepia tones of the brown and the gray, just to have something a little different in my Superman collection. As it sits next to my Superman telephone from the 70s, I think it will be a nice color contrast between the two. For my diorama, I made a little 1950s style TV with the Adventures of Superman showing on the screen, and I have it kind of floating through space on the classic background from the opening credits of the TV show. Again, I don't know if a lot of people realize, but Kellogg's cereal was the sponsor of the show. So it said presented by Kellogg's at the beginning of every episode. I was going to try to work that in, but I just did not with this diorama. So I'll go ahead and show you what I did. I got a 1/32 scale model case from Hobby Lobby. I think it was like $4.99 or $5.99. And I've gone ahead and painted the bottom blue to kind of mimic the background of space there. And when everything's put together, I think it'll make a nice static display. All I did, once everything was complete, I put a drop of glue on the bottom of Superman's feet to hold them in place, and then I'll close everything up. It's easy to open, easy to close, so I can take them out in a little small drop of Mod Podge glue. Won't hurt anything at all. So here's a good look as everything's put together. Keep Superman from getting any dust on him. I'm sure everybody deals with the dust problem in the model car hobby or the model kit hobby. So this is just a good way around that. There's a look at the TV floating through space coming up behind Superman, so you'll have to duck and get out of the way. But he should be able to hear it coming with his super hearing. Here's a look from this side. This was a fun change of pace. I've built other model kits of figures, ranging a little bit of everybody. Vinyl kits were real popular during the 90s, and I built a lot of those, but they were all, hero type figures, Batman, Robin, and Superman, and all that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little change of pace, so I'm going to zoom on out of here like Superman flying faster than a speeding bullet. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief, and we'll see you on the next episode, and I'll be back to building model cars. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a safe and blessed day. Take care.